Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to solve mobile data problem on Redmi mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. After that you can see you have to scroll not so much. Then here connection and sharing. So you have to click here connection and sharing. When you click on it again you have to scroll on the down, then here you are going to find this reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. Just click on it. When you click on it, click on reset setting. Click on OK. When you click on OK, in 3 seconds, the Wi-Fi problem, mobile network problem and Bluetooth problem will be solved on your mobile phone. Okay. If you have some problem in solving this, then you can give me a comment on comment section. I can help you. I'll try to help you if I can also. Okay. Okay. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.